Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make blur effect in PowerPoint. So the first step you simply need to do is to open PowerPoint, click on insert and you need to import a picture. So I'm going to import a picture. So I think this one is perfect. Let me import and make it as smaller. So once you add it, you simply need to click on the picture and here you can see different options. So select this and you simply need to click on format picture. So once you've done that, here you need to come here and here you can see the last option is artistic effect. Click here and click on this icon and here you can see the blur effect. Click here and from here you can increase the blurriness. So here you can see. So now you can see that. So this is the process how you can make blur effect in PowerPoint. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.